Heartily welcome to all to the new YouTube channel GKAG. Question number 1. What is the molecular formula of liquid ammonia? Answer NH3. Next, which metal known as wolfram? Answer tungsten. Question number 3. Acid used to make dynamite. Answer nitric acid. Question number 4. Which substance burn when exposed to air? Answer phosphorus. Which liquid is rubber soluble? Right answer is benzene. Next question. What is angelcite ore? Answer lead. Question number 7. What is the most important nitrogenous fertilizer? Answer urea. What is chemical formula of calcium nitrate? Answer Ca3N2. What is the chemical name of rat poison? Answer zinc phosphide. Next question. Who is the father of Indian chemical industry? Right answer Prafulla Chandra Ray. Next question. What is the chemical formula of freon? Right answer ZCl2F2. Question number 12. Which give green color to glass? Answer chromium oxide. Copper oxide give which color to glass? Right answer red. Next question. Which medium has the highest light density? Answer diamond. Next question. What is the combination of copper and tin? Answer bronze. What is obtained when aluminum carbide react with water? Answer CH4. Question number 17. Which gas is formed when zinc grain react with acetic acid? Answer hydrogen. Who was the first scientist to produce chlorine? Answer Carl William Scheele. Next, which scientist hold the record of all discovering the most elements? Answer Albert Girsow. Next, X-ray to study the crystal structure of substance. This developed by W.H. Bragg. Next question. Which gas that smell like rotten eggs? Right answer hydrogen sulfide. Question 22. Which substance is known as candy fluid? Right answer potassium permanganate. Question number 23. Number of molecules present in 1 gram mole of substance. Answer 6.02 into 10 raised to 23. Next, chemical catalyst used for production of oxygen. Right answer manganese dioxide. Question number 25. A metal is protected by its own oxide. What is that metal? Answer aluminium. If you like my videos, please subscribe, share, and also enable bell icon. See you soon.